So, thick wire finally came. A metre doesn't look that long when it comes in a packet, but we've made wires, as you can see, with crimp terminals, heat shrink on them. I've put 2 from the battery to the BMS now, and on the reading it's totally different. It was telling us that it was about 19% charged before. That's when I had the dodgy one cable going to it, but now it's saying it's 41% charged. So that's obviously made a difference, although the other cable was aluminium, I think, something like that. So yes, we've got new tools. We've got the crimpers, and we've got a box of terminals there for various different sizes, and some heat shrink to go around them. So that's looking much better now. So the positive is always going to come off the battery positive terminal. The negative is going to come off the C side of there, and B minus is going to go to the battery negative. So that is as the battery is going to go in its box. So I now just need to get some wood to actually make a box, and then we'll take it from there. So we've finally been to B&Q and bought some wood to make the battery box. We got a nice piece of oak for 25 quid. First thing I did was make a piece for the bottom, as wide as the battery is, +2 thicknesses. So my idea is this piece is going to go at the back of the battery. We're going to have 2 side pieces, like so. And then I'm going to have a piece in the middle, like so. And then I'm going to put I've got space here for the BMS. So I've already cut all of those panels out. We've got quite a lot of room at the top here. I want to shorten it if I can, but I'm going to put this case together, get the BMS on, and see where we're up to. So I'm just going to mark this 1 centimetre in from the edge. And I'm going to put 4 screws in, so I'll drill those holes out first. So we've got those screws in the back, just drilled them, nice and flat, countersunk them, it's all looking good. Let's get a side on. Got the line here where I think the other piece is going to sit. So I'm going to put the batteries in it and let's see where this needs to be. So it's a bit too tight. I'm going to have to take all the back ones out, put the battery in it and then tighten the back ones. Get that. Doesn't seem to want to move into the back there. I think it's quite tight. We may have messed up in measurements somewhere along the line. Let's let this side off as well. Easier? Yes it is. Perfect, so we're all the way to the back. I'm going to have to clamp that somehow so that we're tight that way. Okay, and we're going to clamp that. Right, so if we get that in there, so that that can't. That should mean that it'll bring this edge in. And we're tightening up. Okay. Let's see what we can do with that. We go back to the original holes. It's not pretty, but it's functional. So with a little bit of persuasion, this battery box is fitted. Got clearance down there for all the wires, and it's quite secure. I am going to move that positive terminal because at the moment it's coming out here, which is right near the seat post. So I'll bring it over so it comes out about here and it's got some clearance. But yeah, all in all, very good.